Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a classic fable with a message that's as relevant today as it was centuries ago. Get cozy as we explore the story of the ant and the grasshopper. Once upon a time, in a lush, green meadow surrounded by towering trees and colorful flowers, lived an industrious ant and a carefree grasshopper. The meadow was a paradise, with clear blue skies and gentle breezes rustling through the tall grasses. In a cozy burrow nestled beneath a large oak tree, lived our main character, the ant. This ant was known far and wide for his hard work and meticulous nature. From dawn till dusk, he was always busy, collecting food, building his home, and preparing for the future. He believed in the power of hard work and planning. Just a hop away, on a sun-drenched patch of the meadow, lived the grasshopper. The grasshopper was a free spirit who loved to sing and dance. While the ant toiled away, the grasshopper spent his days basking in the sun, enjoying the beauty of the meadow, and making merry music. One sunny afternoon, as the ant was diligently gathering grains and seeds, he encountered the grasshopper lounging on a leaf, strumming a makeshift guitar. The grasshopper was singing a cheerful tune, completely unconcerned with the future. "Why don't you join me for a song?" the grasshopper asked with a smile. "The weather is perfect, and we should enjoy life while we can." The ant paused for a moment, wiping sweat from his brow. "I appreciate the offer, but I have to keep working. Winter is coming, and I need to be prepared." The grasshopper laughed and waved a dismissive hand. "Winter? That's months away. There's plenty of time. Besides, who wants to work when you can have fun?" The ant shook his head and continued his labor, while the grasshopper resumed his singing, seemingly without a care in the world. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the vibrant summer gave way to the crisp, chilly winds of autumn. The ant's burrow was now stocked with plenty of food, and he had made sure his home was warm and secure. Meanwhile, the grasshopper's once golden meadow had turned a dull gray. The days grew colder, and food became scarce. The grasshopper found himself shivering and hungry, with no provisions to rely on. One frosty morning, the grasshopper came across the ant's cozy home. His stomach rumbled with hunger, and his teeth chattered from the cold. Gathering his courage, he knocked on the ant's door. "Hello, ant," the grasshopper said weakly. "I didn't prepare for winter, and now I'm in trouble. May I come in and share your food?" The ant looked up from his warm, well-stocked pantry. He saw the grasshopper's predicament and felt a pang of sympathy. "You were so carefree during the summer," the ant said gently. "I worked hard to prepare for this season, while you chose to enjoy yourself without concern for the future." The grasshopper lowered his head in embarrassment. "I realize now that I should have taken your advice. I was wrong to ignore the future." After a moment of contemplation, the ant made a decision. "I will share my food with you, but let this be a lesson. The time for enjoyment is important, but it's also crucial to plan for the future and work diligently." The grasshopper gratefully accepted the ant's kindness and promised to learn from his mistake. The two spent the winter together, with the ant teaching the grasshopper the value of hard work, while the grasshopper shared his music and stories to brighten the long, cold days. As the snow melted and spring arrived, the grasshopper began preparing for the future, ensuring he would never face such hardship again. The ant and the grasshopper's friendship grew stronger, rooted in mutual respect and understanding. And so, dear viewers, the tale of the ant and the grasshopper reminds us all of a timeless lesson. While it's important to enjoy life's pleasures, it's equally vital to plan ahead and work hard to secure our future. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this story and want more fables and tales, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What lessons have you learned from the ant and the grasshopper? Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.